Hey guys, we're here at Hobby Lobby seeing the beautiful Christmas decor they have available for styling. Let's coast through and see. Christmas decor and trees are now 50% off, so I decided it'd be fun to start with the trees. I love the flock trees, and these are nice and tall but slender for an apartment. That small one would be just beautiful in an entryway. I don't know if the camera will catch this, but this one has little pine cones throughout. Festive tableware in red and in green. This year I'm mostly using the greens. What about you? Are you leaning towards one color this year? Just a quick reminder that Christmas items are 50% off, so all the prices shown will have an additional 50% off at the register. This is a cute little ceramic tree. Oh, this Robert Stanley placemat looks stunning with red dishes. They have a large selection of ornaments. Let me show you some. If you're enjoying my Hobby Lobby walkthrough, please subscribe so you never miss any home decor ideas and bargains. Next, we're going to see more of the packaged ornaments and tree toppers. Let's take a look at some garlands next. We're starting off with the neutral ones if you don't like a lot of color. That garland on the left I ended up picking up for $6.99 after the 50% discount. I recently did a shorts video on it. I love this one with all the red bells. Oh, look at this one with the dangling bells. I love this one. Here's a couple of garlands with just the gold bells. These are larger and more vibrant. These are so pretty to place in back of a chair with a velvet ribbon. Their wreaths are really great this year. This size is great for your entryway, and then some of the smaller ones can be placed on your mantle or even on your tablescape. We have to have ribbon, and Hobby Lobby has a ton of options. I ended up picking up 30 feet of dark green velvet ribbon for $4.99. This is 75 feet, and the price there is before the discount. I feel like their ribbon is very good quality, and they do give you a lot of yards for the money. Remember that you can use ribbon to weave in and out of your Christmas tree. It's such a pretty way to add different colors if you don't have a lot of ornaments just yet. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time!